Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making bitter leaf soup. Okay, so to begin, I'll first of all boil my protein of choice. Okay, so I'm going to go in with some stockfish head and mackerel. Okay, so first I'll go in with the stockfish head. And I'll go in with some mackerel. I'll go in with 1 onion. Some salt. Some roughly grated habanero pepper. So I have the red and the yellow habanero pepper. I do have some seasoning. I'm going with some crayfish. So I'm going to cover this pot and let it sweat out. So after you let your protein sweat out, you want to come in with some, you can either use water or chicken stock. Okay, so I'm using chicken stock or chicken broth. I gently pour my chicken broth over this. So after boiling for like 10 minutes, I'm going to come in with more water. I'm going to let this boil. Once the cocoyams are nice and soft, go ahead and peel them, then blend or pound them. Set that aside. It's going to be our thickener for the bitter leaf soup. You transfer into the blender and then you blend it. You can pound it if you want, but I just prefer to blend. So this is what you have after blending. So I just transferred the proteins into a bigger pot. So I'm going to use this big pot because it's going to be a lot of soup. So now that I have my proteins fully cooked, I'm going to go in with the cocoyam paste. coming with what's left of my crayfish. I'm going to come in with some ogiri. So guys, I'm using 2 of these, okay? So this is what it looks like. Bring in the fish. Add some red palm oil. Cover for 5 minutes. So guys, at this juncture, oh my goodness, I'm going to go in with my already washed bitter leaves. That's a lot of bitter leaf, but it is called bitter leaf soup for a reason. I'm gonna let this boil for like 5 minutes and then this soup is ready. So guys, this soup is ready. Ofe Onugbu or bitter leaf soup. And to be honest, this is the very first time I'm cooking with ogiri, and I tell you guys, I love it. It makes all the difference. Delicious. Thank you so much guys for sticking with me to the end. Do have yourself a very beautiful day. Bye bye. If your Ofe Onugbu is not speaking Igbo, by the time you finish, you didn't do it right. Oh my goodness.